Hi, my name is Ellis with Ellis Real Estate Group, and I would like to welcome you to our newest listing at 523 Chantenay Drive here in Mississauga. Community of Cooksville has a great school district, minutes away from all the major highways, shopping, public transit, poor credit, and all of that just a blink away from this property. Please let me show you inside. On this main level, you will find a large office space at the front of the property. This beautiful family-sized kitchen, open concept floor plan, dining, and a living space that stretches all the way down to the backyard. This floor plan is the biggest one in the community, and this semi can accommodate all of your family needs. If you like this space and would love to call this your own home, please give me a call at 416-879-8543 or simply send me an email at ellis@ellisrealestate.ca for your private tour.